Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2009 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 64 power stroke diesel. It's got 252,000 miles on it. The engine was replaced on this truck with a Ford reman unit 40,000 miles ago. It runs out and drives really nice. It's a super clean truck from California. They probably wouldn't have turned it in, but they can no longer use this truck out there since it doesn't have DEF fluid on it. I'm sure they still love to be using it, but I'm walk around and show it to you. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed, toolboxes, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. Just a really clean truck. Bolt bends. It's a Quincy hydraulic air compressor. Open deck space for a welder. AC blowing cold. If you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it to you probably about $1.75 a mile. And it normally takes 3 to 7 days to get them loaded. Can take more, can take less. We're a dispatcher, so we post it on a dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and pick them up. We don't have a transporter just sitting here waiting, but normally 3 to 7 days and you can have the truck. If you want to come and pick it up in person, you're welcome to do that. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, cash, or do a wire transfer. Has to be certified funds. We can't take a check on your personal name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. So I guess that's about it. Again, it's a really, really nice California truck. All the trucks we buy out in California are always really clean, and we like buying them out there. All right, 09 550, 3,200 pound maintainer crane, 11-foot body, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, 252 on the miles. Thanks for watching.